What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man, back in one of the video. Today, you read the title, you seen the thumbnail, man. We're gonna be doing a review and on feed over the Adidas Yeezy 350v2 Cloud Whites, man. So if you're new to the channel, right now what I need you to do is subscribe, ring the notification bell for your boy so you never miss another video. Like the video to go for every video is 200 likes, man. So right now, hit the like button and follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage World, man. The link will always be in the description box below, man. Hit the link and go follow your boy over there. With all that being said, let's jump right into this review over these Cloud White Yeezys, man. Let's get it. Pick these things up from Footlocker House of Hoops, man. Shouts out to them. I've been hitting a lot at this Footlocker North Star, like on all the past releases. I don't remember the last shoe I took an L on with Footlocker, man. Hopefully it keeps coming. When more shoes come out, hopefully I can hit on like the more hyped up shoe, I guess I would say. These right here, they hitting for a low price on StockX, man, going from around 300, 320. I see them going around like 350 for a little while, but next year I feel like they're gonna be going for a lot of money. That's how Yeezys usually are. You give it about a year or two, them things gonna be climbing in the resale market, man. The StockX market is always gonna rise for the Yeezys, man. I don't know what it is. People just love Yeezys. But here you have it. You already know we got the 350 on top. That brown box, you already know what we got, man. So here you have it. Official colorway is Cloud White, and Cloud White. As long with like the lum marks, it was like lum mark, but it's still different colors in the Yeezys, but they don't label it. They just name it what the shoe is called, you know what I'm saying? So with these, you got Cloud White, and Cloud White. Size 9, as always, in my Yeezys. This is the first time I hit on a pair of shoes at Footlocker where they put my name on the box. Yeah, that's something different. All right, so let's go ahead and pull these things out the box, man. Enough talking to it. As you can see, we got the brown paper as always, and here we have it. Cloud White Yeezys, man. Finally in hand. Check them out, check them out. They look very similar to the Statics. I'm pretty sure you're gonna see a whole bunch of videos of people comparing them with the Statics because they look very similar, but this one has a blue tint to it. Let me go ahead and pull the other shoe out the box real quick. Bam, there we have it. Close the box up real quick, nothing else in the box. I don't think you ever get like extra laces with Yeezys. None of these I ever had came with extra laces. Retail was $220. Of course, they released today. I hit on Footlocker app, like I said. I was very happy for that because I took an L on the shoe palaces. Usually I take W's at the shoe palaces around here, but I didn't hit at any of the shoe palaces in San Antonio this time. This come around, so I guess Footlocker was like, let's go ahead and let your boy DeVintage World win a pair of these Yeezys because I need them, man. I need the Yeezys in the collection. We're gonna turn the brightness down so we can get a good look at these Yeezy 350s, man. Let's get it. All right, so here you have it, man. Adidas Yeezy Cloud Whites, and you can see I guess the Cloud White theme or the colorway is going all throughout the shoe. You know what I mean? It kind of resembles the clouds, I guess you could say. You can see that whole little Cloud White theme going around the whole shoe. Something a little bit different from the Statics. I think the Statics had like a more, I guess, I don't know, like a structured look to it as far as the pattern in the shoe. But this one right here is like kind of all over the place. And right here, as you can see, you have kind of had that same lum mark, little tan tint to it on the stripe through the shoe. Show you guys the lum marks right here. You kind of got that same little tan tint to the Cloud Whites right here, as you can see. Check it out, check it out. Inside you have the same colorway, that Cloud White colorway with the Adidas Yeezy right there in the shoe. And of course you have your reflective 3 stripes right here, man. This one did not come with a pull tab, neither did the lum marks. The last 350s that I copped with the pull tab was the triple blacks, and I like the pull tab. I like them better with the pull tab, but hey, this still is a dope sneaker. On the back right here, you have mostly white. On the heel right here, it's still surrounded by that Cloud White colorway. On the outsole right here, as you can see, you kind of have like a tannish, I guess, or yellowish tint to the outsole right here. Of course, you got that boost material piping through the whole outsole of the sneaker, and you have that thick ultra boost material or midsole going around the whole shoe, man. Check it out. And like I said, in like one of my old videos, I kind of did like my research on the Yeezys, and the outsole was made up of like 3 different parts. You can kind of see it if you have the shoe in hand. You can kind of tell where this is a section, and then the whole, I guess, the middle of the outsole, you can like peel it, I guess, if you wanted to, and it'll come off like that. So 3 different sections with the outsole and midsole. The laces are the same colorway as the Cloud White shoe, but these do not have the pattern as the shoe. They just have that nice Cloud White look to it, that blue tint. Shoelaces, very nice. And right here, as you can see, you have that strong seam going through the whole shoe, man. Check it out, check it out. Dude, I am dead ass sweating right now. On the inside of the shoe, of course, you got that white tissue paper right here. Pull them out for both of these sneakers because your boy is about to do that on feet. And on the left shoe, you have, of course, that Yeezy tag, man. We're gonna have to pop these things off. So I'll hit you guys with a lot of B-roll. Hope you guys enjoy this review over these cloud white Yeezys. My question to you guys is, do you guys think Yeezys are dead, man? They keep coming out with like this same, I guess, pattern look to the 350s, and I can just see them keep coming and keep dropping a whole bunch of different tints to these 350s, man. I'm ready to see something different, something similar to the triple black Yeezys. They kind of kept it all black. They didn't put the pattern like you seen on the Lummarks, the Citrons, and all these Yeezys that dropped, as well as these, man. It's kind of like the same pattern, and I'm ready to see something different, man. I missed that SPLY 350 on the side of the Yeezys, man. I hope they bring that back on one of the future Yeezys, but you never know. They might do it, they might not. All right, that is it for the review, man. Y'all let me know right now in the comment section below if you were able to cop a pair of these 350s. Let me know if you took an L. Let me know if you had to get them on StockX, Gold, whatever you had to do to be successful in copping these pairs today. It's usually best to cop a pair of Yeezys right on release day, because after the release date, them things keep hiking, but then again, they like drop in price, they go up in price. You never know what the Yeezys are gonna do. So my advice to you is cop them right on release date if you do take an L, because you don't see a lot of Yeezy restocks, especially around the same time as the initial release. So I appreciate all of the support, man. I hope you guys liked the video. If you have not liked it already, I hope you subscribe to the channel, man. We're on the ground at 20,000 subscribers. Thanks to everybody that stopped by, watched the videos, and subscribed, man. It means a lot to me from the bottom of my heart. Make sure you guys follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage World. The link will always be in the description box below. With all that being said, we're gonna jump right into this on feet over the Adidas Yeezy 350 V2 Cloud Whites, man. Let's get it.